once again put here just to make sure. So when you go on my camera, say no, I'm not stealing any content. Okay. Hope y'all like the ATV bad flip. Well, like it as much as you can. Well, let's start it off. Well, excuse me. Let's start it off. Okay. This is, don't know really what competition this is. Oh, a race. I'm sorry. Alright, so these are races right here. Gonna start off with the police versus the board house. There's a little months ago, machine car slipped and the board house wins out, won by a long sight. The silence didn't work today, he didn't pull over. And then there's the second one. Go, wing. This one was close, so I'm gonna just call that one the Halloween one right there. The Halloween one wanted just by a little bit better than the Dominator. Alright. And that was it of that. Now at this point they took a little bit of a break. So I wanted to sell a little bit of the months again when I was going around. It goes around the Lancaster Speedway pits on 4 side pits. Must have been playing some good music, I'm taking the camera to it. Oh, never mind. I was taking the camera because I stood at some sorts. Trying to wave my hand to him. Cause my little cousin, Easton, he wants that sort badly. So that's a little intermission show for you guys. There was one that went under the grandstands, nowhere to be found. Someone probably got it, but we went digging for it and all over the place. Looking for it, digging for it, messing with it. So this is the grand finale race. They're determined who's the fastest monster truck. This is gonna be Board House or the Halloween one is what I'm gonna call them. As they are lined up. Ready. Set. Go. The Board House is in the lead right now. He may just get the better time. As they go back to the Halloween one, it's gonna clearly get it done, I believe. But it might be multiple laps. That was 1 lap. Halloween one, got it done. You're gonna see another little intermission sound with some volume by itself next. I'm pretty sure it's not more monster truck voiceover. Anyway, see you for the next thing. And Harrison Speedway got cancelled, so I'm not going to the Harrison Speedway Wicked Racing thing. Alright guys, see you for the next thing.